Garador side-hung garage doors come built onto their own steel frame and open outwards to provide clear and unrestricted space within the garage. These doors provide full drive-through height and a chute bolt latch at the top and bottom of the door. Steel hinges are securely fitted to the frame to ensure reliable function. Weather seals around 3 sides of the door help to prevent drafts. The centre stile on the edge of the right side door helps to prevent forced entry to the locking system. These doors are available in steel and timber with a range of colour finishes and sizes. Please visit the Garador website for details of the full Garador product range.